In today's video, I am going to teach you how to filter contacts in Freshsales. Filtering is one of the fastest ways to narrow down a long contact list and focus only on the people you need, based on details like where they are located or what their role is. This is especially helpful when you are preparing outreach, updating records, or reviewing a specific segment of your database. To get started, look at the left sidebar in Freshsales and click the Contacts icon. This opens your contacts list view, where you can see all of your records in one place. Before you filter, take a quick second to confirm you are on the correct list view, since filters will apply to the list you are currently viewing. Next, move to the top right area of the list view and click the filter icon, which looks like a funnel. This opens the filtering panel, where you can build a rule that tells Freshsales exactly which contacts you want to see. Now click Add Filter. Freshsales will prompt you to choose a field, which is the contact attribute you want to filter by. For example, you might choose city if you only want contacts in a specific location, or job title if you are targeting a certain type of decision maker. Select the field that matches the segment you are trying to create. Choosing the right field is important because it determines what kind of value you will enter next. After you pick the field, choose an operator. The operator defines the relationship between the field and the value you type in. A common option is in, which is useful when you want to include a value or a set of values. Then type your value into the input area. Be consistent with spelling and formatting so the filter matches your data accurately. Once everything looks correct, click Apply. Freshsales will refresh the list and show only the contacts that meet your filter conditions. At this point, you can review the filtered results and work directly from this narrowed list. That covers everything you need to know.